Where are you today? Okay, I'll picture here.
Did you toothbrush?
Yeah, no. Did you toothbrush?
Yes, when I was upstairs
Okay.
doing my kitty.
Later na lang tayo pag uwi mo, ha? Ay, hindi. Can you do toothbrush but don't mess your dress? Don't wet your dress.
I did without messing my shirt.
So, Ate Dayday went upstairs to have toothbrush.